Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. I'm Amanda, and today we are going to be making ooey gooey butterscotch brownies. This is a great recipe because it is simple to make, and these brownies always come out delicious. You're going to use your favorite box mix, and you're going to make your brownies according to the instructions on your box, and you're also going to preheat your oven based on your box instructions as well. Mix together your ingredients to make your delicious brownie batter and then pour it into a baking dish that's been lined with some parchment paper. Next, you're going to melt half a cup of butterscotch chips in a small dish. Microwave them on 30-second intervals and then mix together until it is smooth and creamy. Then spoon a little dollop of the melted butterscotch chips across the top of your brownie batter. Use a knife to swirl the butterscotch into your brownie batter to create a nice pattern. After that, this is ready for baking. You're going to bake your brownies in your preheated oven based on your box instructions for length of time or until a cake tester inserted into the center comes out clean. Allow your brownies to cool completely in the baking dish before cutting. My butterscotch brownies are done. They're gooey, they're delicious, and they are ready to be eaten. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.